Pink is for girls and blue is for boys. There are certain stereotypes thrown at girls when they are little. Girls have been taught to play with dolls pretty much ever since they were born. But it is time to chuck those stereotypes. Revolutionary doll maker Goldie Blox aims to change this. First off, there is a lack of females worldwide pursuing engineering as a possible career option. Goldie Blox lets girls see that overalls and tools can also be cool and fun.
You are beauty, and beauty is perfection. 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 You are beauty, and beauty is perfection.
Keeps beating like a hammer.
Do keep in mind, Goldie Blox is still a business and the holiday season is approaching, so they are trying to publicize the release of its new female action figure, which is a blonde-haired girl inventor who even comes with a pair of denim overalls and a zip line. Not saying the message isn't good, but they are still looking to make a profit. I do have to give props to their slogan though. They say that other dolls are built for fashion and Goldie is built for action.